Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So, guys, in this amazing episode, we are going to discuss everything you need to know inside Tesla's $5 billion Gigafactory. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So, keep up with me till the end. Comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on post notifications for more videos. Number 1. The need for a Gigafactory. Tesla currently produces 350,000 cars a month, which is way behind the general public demand for other automobiles. Side by side, this number is also not up to the customer demand for Tesla. Their demands continuously outpace their production timelines. But the company has ambitions to ramp up productions to more than 20 million cars per annum. This new plan requires numerous advances in their current chain of production, including several larger factories that are under construction worldwide. But the bedrock of Tesla's production is their Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. This is the company's fully built factory that will serve as the model for what eventually will be over a dozen Tesla factories globally. Tesla's vice president, Chris Lister, said, "In order to transition the world to sustainable energy, we really need to build this big battery cell as fast as possible to really accelerate this transition." Only about 30% of the factory is built out, but upon completion, this facility will be known as the biggest automobile factory by footprint in the world. Number 2. Cost efficiency. Sam Jeff, managing director at a research advisory company, reports the Gigafactory's mind-blowing numbers in terms of cost efficiency. He studies the electric vehicle market, specifically focusing on the cost to build the battery packs and cells that provide the energy inside them. Jeff's analysis states Tesla's cost of manufacturing a battery cell is $116 per kilowatt hour. This is arguably far ahead of the industry. Other manufacturers putting electric vehicles on the market are producing the same item for $146 per kilowatt hour. Tesla's Project Roadrunner aims to reduce cost to $100 per kilowatt hour by 2021, and the Gigafactory will make it possible. This company has shown an ability and a drive to reduce both cell and battery pack costs, and the facility ensures this moment will arrive soon. Number 3. Smart Factory. Working alongside the aforementioned human employees are super smart robots. The automated robots can move materials between workstations faster and lift heavier loads while staying charged for longer hours. Some of the robots navigate through the factory using digital maps that previously required shift changes and other unnecessary breaks. Smart robots are designed to run specific paths around the factory, which makes them predictable with time and capacity. This has increased production efficiency at the company, reducing the need for manual labor, which often creates lag. Moreover, the Gigafactory has been designed to become entirely energy self-reliant. The company intends to power the structure through a combination of on-site solar, wind, and geothermal sources. Once the installation of solar panels will be complete, the facility will have the world's largest solar array. This means 200,000 tiles on the rooftop alone. The Gigafactory will be a net zero facility, which means the total amount of energy used by the building will be equal to the energy created on site. Tesla's master plan also includes other energy-saving features. For example, excess heat from the equipment, which will no longer be wasted but will be used to keep the factory warm in cooler months. Side by side, the facility has a water cooling system that repels extremely low temperatures because of the air and general climate in Nevada. Some machines require cold water for their parts, and this feature makes sure it's always available to the station. Number 1. Partnership with Panasonic. The Gigafactory is currently producing Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, along with Tesla's energy storage products, Powerwalls, and Power Packs. Panasonic is Tesla's exclusive battery cell supplier for the Model 3, and its plant is also part of the facility. The supplier's factory within a factory has proven massively advantageous for Tesla. All day long, the automated guided vehicles, i.e. smart robots, carry battery cells from the Panasonic side of the factory to Tesla's assembling site. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.